Long drive yesterday. Well, wasn't the longest, but after all the other drives, it was pretty long. We're here pretty close to the coast now of Georgia. This is our shower. That's pretty nice. We're coming to the Crab Shack. That's our first place. Crab Shack. Here's where we're sitting, apparently. I got the half and half, which is half shrimp, half snow crab. Cyan got the blue crab plate. Nom 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 nom. It's food you have to work for. You get your exercise while you eat. Gators. There's one right down there. These are tame gators. Oh my God, there's a loose one. It's on the deck. Look out. Right there. Don't you see it?
What is that, Jim?
What is that? It's gonna get you.
Jimmy. I need it.
Alligators. Alligators.
What is it,
so
Jim?
he tried biting the water.
Oh man.
Alligator, Jim.
What is it, Jimmy?
It's like his hairs are just like raising. It's like, Can you get it? These like 3 alligators are staring at him.
Hello?
This one's so cute.
Hello, you were talking earlier. You know when a camera is on you.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Look, there's a talking human.
Hello.
She can say hello.
Hello. Hello. This word says get. He's like, get back here. He's like,
He doesn't know what this is in his face.
hello.
And we have Captain and Gretel. These are pretty birds.
There's a YMCA.
Tybee Island. Look, there's Cocopelli over there. Beach Cocopelli.
See, there it is. Where?
Right there.
YMCA.
The Y. Why?
Why must you see? Are the dogs okay?
I think the dongies are okay.
Ow.
Except Luke, you should have given him that monster drink.
I know.
He is crazy back there.
That's okay.
Dun dun dun.
Make it cute.
Crazy Lukey. I guess we better stop for the pedestrians. No dogs are allowed anywhere on Tybee Beach. So me and my family members here are gonna go sit somewhere and have something to drink. Tybee Island. We are going from shady spot to shady spot. Right, doggies? Because it sure is hot. Woohoo! The doggies are sitting there waiting for me. While I drink an ice soda and wait for them to get done with the beach.
Was that fun? Luke, was that fun? Ice cream. Ice cream. Lucian strikes again.
We got the Tybee Island Light Station. Savannah. The loud truck. World's steepest stairs.
He's just going down.
Yeah, he's just like,
He's like,
I don't care. I'll hit the rocks with my chin.
no, Jimmy's just walking it down there like, this is nothing.
The riverfront of Savannah. Uh-oh, we lost somebody in a shop. Mine.
Oh my god.
What?
World War II Memorial, a world apart.
We should save the bottle. A punch? You mean a bite?
Picture. In absolute darkness of the waving girl. These stairs. Oh my.